Smithing templates are special items in the game that can help you craft cool weapons and armor. To get these templates, you can follow a few simple steps. First of all, explore the world around you. You can find templates in various places, such as villages and ancient ruins. Man, the sun is strong. I'll put it all in the description as well. So look carefully in the chests, as many templates are hidden there in the chests. So sometimes you might even find them after defeating tough enemies, so be ready for a fight. Another way to obtain templates is by trading with villagers, especially those who are blacksmiths. They might offer you a template in exchange for items or resources. Make sure to check in with them regularly to see what they have available. All right. Now you can also complete basically, hold on, I don't want to get into an accident over here. You can also complete quests. So some missions will reward you with valuable smithing templates once you finish them. So keep an eye out on your quest log and try to complete as many as you can. Lastly, if you have friends playing the game, consider teaming up. They might have templates that can share or trade with you. So by exploring, trading, and completing quests, you can collect smithing templates and create awesome gear. All right? See you later.